On today's course, we are going to be starting from blockchain. What is blockchain? Then go to what is Web3 and what is Ethereum. So let's go and let's get started with that immediately. Okay, in this course, we are going to be talking about Web3. We will learn what is Web3, why it's important, what is blockchain, why it's important, and we are going to learn about Ethereum and how to use it and what's available under the Ethereum network. So what is blockchain under Web3 now? Blockchain is a shared, distributed, and permanent database shared among multiple nodes on a computer network. Blockchain record data as chains of blocks. So what this is trying to make us understand is that a blockchain is just a ledger. It's just a distributed ledger shared among different computers on a network that records data in a chain. That means once group of transactions is grouped together, they're recorded. Then another transaction is built on top of that transaction, like an interwoven chain. And the former transaction has a record of each of the hash of the last previous transaction, all the way down to the genesis transaction, which is the first block on the blockchain. So what you need to know in blockchain, these are some of the key things you need to know. What is state management, which we are going to be talking about along the course. What is a block, which I've already defined. Nodes and decentralization. So the use case of the blockchain, we have cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Ethereum is Ether is a cryptocurrency. Then we have DAI, or you can call it DAI stable coin. We have USDT and USDC. There's a lot more cryptocurrencies that we have. Then under cryptocurrency, we have what's called a crypto coin, which is kind of a native coin to a particular blockchain. Then we have a token that be created by anybody to boost the project or to send during an ICO, which is called an initial coin offering. Then we have smart contract, which is going to be our main focus for this course. We have decentralized finance, like the decentralized exchanges that we can see all around. We have gaming. We use blockchain in gaming, which is GameFi. GameFi. We have supply chain tracking. We use counterfeit protection, which is a blockchain. Anything that is stored in blockchain is unique. Like an NFT is unique and can be used to track if a product is a counterfeit or not. You have data privacy. The beauty of blockchain is that all your data, it's hidden under the blockchain. Then we have decentralized governance, which is our DAOs. We have verifiable ownership of assets, which is NFT basically. So now we are going to be talking about Web3. So what is Web3? Web3 is the future of the internet we are moving towards. It's a decentralized internet under society internet. The internet is shared online and governed by the collective, rather than owned by centralized entities. So Web3 is the new internet that we are trying to get into, which is an internet that is owned by the people. It's a internet for the people and it's owned by the people. It's not owned by any centralized government or any centralized entity, which makes it the best type of internet for the use of everybody and the use of the general public. So why is Web3 better? You must be asking yourself why it is better than what we have currently. It is better because of these reasons. The main reason now is that it is decentralized, it's not controlled by anyone. The other reason is that it's open so anybody can look at the code, go through it and know if it's suitable, if it's what we need. And this code, all Web3 code has been vetted and audited. All Web3 codes are trustless in that the network itself allows participants to interact publicly or privately without a trusted third party. And especially, you don't need anyone to approve you to use any Web3 platform. You can just go register your wallet and start using. So our main focus for this course is going to be on Ethereum. But Ethereum, the beauty of learning with Ethereum is that Ethereum provided the EVM, which is the Ethereum virtual machine. And this virtual machine is used by more than 70% of all blockchains out there. So by learning Ethereum or building on Ethereum, we can move to Polygon, Binance, and a host of other blockchains, and even create codes on layer 2s like ZK Sync, Polygon, ZK, EMV, and the host of them. So Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain that supports smart contract, which is like Bitcoin, which only supports the transfer of Bitcoin to token around the network. Ethereum is a more general purpose blockchain. So developers can build dApps, which is called decentralized application, which is executed on the Ethereum network. This is executed on the Ethereum virtual machine. The global state of Ethereum therefore consists of more than just the balance of every account, but also the state of each dApp. So Ethereum basically has a lot of application by design upon it. Using this application is converted to an Ethereum native, which is opcode. Opcode is like binary for our normal machine. Like a normal PC has binary code that runs on the back scene that talks to the computer, but in Ethereum and EVMs, it has an opcode that is your smart contract converted into opcode, and that opcode is now converted into low-level languages, which is your ones and your zeros. The apps are built on Ethereum using its programming language, which is Solidity. You can write smart contract using Solidity and deploy that smart contract to the Ethereum network, which is very easy to do, which is going to be one of the main focus of this course is going to be learning how to use Solidity. Then once we learn how to use Solidity, we start applying it into different areas like dApp, NFTs, and the rest.